Greetings, I'm following different types of cases through the legal system from my local area. I've decided to make this from the rail corridor because in this series I'm going to follow cases where a person has been charged with the offence called obstructing a railway. To start, some background. I'm just a member of the public. In following these cases I will only use publicly available information, so essentially you can come to the same overpass and do the same thing. I'm a non-party to the proceedings, meaning I'm not a solicitor involved in the case, I'm not the police, I'm also not media. I'm just a face in the courtroom. I acknowledge the Wanneroo people as the traditional owners and custodians of this land which I am on. I'm in Maitland in the Hunter Valley, New South Wales. He's coming real slow. This is going to be really slow. Oh, he's speeding up now. In the Hunter Valley, you hear about the obstructing a railway offence sometimes. It's normally in relation to a protest about climate change. Firstly, in Australia, we have the freedom to protest and pretty much come out in public and protest about a range of things, from war, politics, the environment, or railways. Generally, legal issues will arise through the behaviour of the protesters. For example, violence, trespassing, or damaging things. Here in the Hunter Valley, we have a lot of coal trains. The coal trains roll past here frequently, back and forth between the coal mines and the port. There are 4 railway tracks here in Maitland and 2 of them are dedicated to coal trains. Here in Maitland, these coal trains are from the Hunter Valley coal mines, including those from out at Ulan. We also get trains past here from Gloucester and the Gunnedah coal basins. I'm trying to limit the geology chat, but the coal rolling past here is mostly thermal coal, meaning it will be burnt to make steam and create electricity. The coal is heading towards the port and will be burnt by another country. For context, Newcastle is supposed to be the biggest coal port in the world. It has 2 terminals and is licensed to handle about 145 million tonnes of coal a year. That's a lot of coal trains. From time to time you hear about people getting arrested protesting on the train line about climate change. You think it's too windy for trains, probably. The offence is called obstructing a railway. It's section 213 of the Crimes Act and we're in New South Wales. There are 3 elements of the offence that must be proven beyond reasonable doubt. They are: a person must do an act, they must do something. The act must be intentional and without lawful excuse. The act causes a locomotive or other rolling stock to be obstructed. So here comes the weasel. The maximum penalty is imprisonment for 2 years. That doesn't mean the person's going to get 2 years. They'll get anything between 0 and 2 years. It just can't be more than 2 years imprisonment. Let the train spotting continue.